everyone, welcome to my nighttime after dark routine where I share my evening cleaning, cooking and how I wind down for the night.
Cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest.
I'm not sure if I should say good evening or good night, guys, because it's barely 5:30 p.m. outside and it's already dark as if it's maybe 10 p.m. But the first thing I always like to go ahead and do is to maybe do the dishes or just feed the dishes into the washer. And this afternoon the twins are actually not feeling so well, guys, so we went pick them up this afternoon from school. And they've just been on fluids, they've been trying to recover. It's always a mess once the kids go back to school. It's like they contract all this sicknesses from school. But I just went ahead, fed the plates, the cups and everything into the washer, and I'm just going to put it on to wash. I use the washer sometimes, when I don't have the time to just stand and wash, but most of the time, guys, I always do my dishes with my hands. It's always easier and faster for me for some reason. You guys, just look at how filthy that bathroom mirror is. When you have kids, you always have to be with your broom and mop. Like, they literally become your best friends. And once I saw the bathroom is dirty, I decided to quickly clean it up, and I'm so excited to partner with Blue Land for this video. They are an eco-friendly brand with innovative products in reusable packaging. Like, I can't tell you guys how much cleaning products I use in a month, guys, because as you all know, I'm always cleaning, I'm always mopping, and you won't believe, when it comes to your cleaning products, like sometimes you get charged because of the packaging, like the container and everything. But with this brand right here, all you need is a container and their tablets. Like, their cleaning products actually come in tablets, as you all can see. I have their bathroom cleaner, multi-surface cleaner, glass mirror cleaner and foaming hand soap. Their container is reusable, so that way you don't keep throwing away your single-use plastic bottles, which also helps our ecosystem. And all you want to do is just to go ahead and fill up your container, add the tablet inside, and you get to cleaning. Like, you don't always have to clutter your sink or your cabinet or anything with a lot of cleaning products, guys. Just few containers, that is all you need, and that is exactly what this brand is known for. I was so impressed how well the products, cleaned my bathroom. And with this right here, of course, you can use the bathroom cleaner for the bathroom, the mirror cleaner for mirrors, the multi-surface cleaner for different, areas of your cleaning routine. Like, you guys, this is very, very convenient. It's very effective and also very, very affordable. And of course, you guys always know that I leave my link in the description box. I leave all the info you guys need, for any product I use in my videos in my description box. So kindly click the link below to get 20% off your first purchase from Blue Land. But I'm just going to quickly go in and, clean up like my sink, my toilet. I just cleaned up my toilet, and that mirror is a complete mess, guys. So of course, I'm going to go ahead and also use the mirror product to clean my mirror, which I was so happy the way, it cleaned the mirror. It was like it left my mirrors spotless.
There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. 'Cause life's too hard.
Honestly, guys, cleaning to me, it's very, 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 very therapeutic. People always ask me like, Omabel, how come you love cleaning? I just love the feeling I get whenever my home is clean, guys. So that is, I just have this joy whenever my home is clean. And of course, I went ahead and also did the foaming hand wash because I was done cleaning and I had to rinse out my hand. And we're just gonna quickly head into the kitchen because I would say for dinner, right, the twins said they wanted kind of a pizza. So I'm just going to quickly make them some pizza, and of course I'm going to go ahead and cut up some tomatoes and also my zucchini. And yeah, I guess, you know, when kids are sick, guys, they always like all these they don't like all these what is it called, like saucy food, right? So I try as much as possible to kind of make a saucy food for them, but not too saucy. Like, you just want to have it in between. So that was exactly what they requested. And over here I'm just gonna quickly fix them, you know, pizza. Of course I had some bites too, and of course Ace also had some bites. But over here I just cut the tomatoes, the zucchini, added some salt and pepper, and then inside this foil paper I added some garlic, sprinkled some pepper and salt inside it, and I'm just going to toss it into the baking pan and head them into the oven. And then over here I'm going to quickly make a little, you know, sauce that will go with the pizza. And all you want to do is just to add a stick of butter, add some ginger powder inside, and also I like to use there's this Italian seasoning I got from my everyday food menu. So that is exactly what I used here. And then I added a little bit of flour. You just want to add kind of fry the flour a little bit just to get rid of that floury sauce, that floury taste, guys. I can't even talk today. And then I went ahead and just added my my bread, pita bread, and you know, you want to put it in the oven for maybe 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some chicken breast. Like, I can't eat pizza without some type of meat in it, guys. I just can't. I wanted to do the pizza with just the tomato and zucchini, but then I was like, like, even the twins too, they wouldn't even, you know, consider that. So I decided to just quickly fix some chicken breast, you know, that would go with the pizza. So all I did was add a little bit of oil inside my pot, and I just went ahead and also I seasoned the chicken breast, and I'm just going to fry it up a little bit. And once the pita bread is ready, I'm going to add the sauce to the pita bread, and you know, just add the vegetable, add the chicken, all those things we prepared. Like, I used to just go and purchase pizza, guys, but ever since I discovered that pizza is actually very, very easy to make. You know, sometimes of course I still order my pizza, you know, once in a while, but you know, you can't always vouch for things you buy outside. But whatever it is you prepare in your home, at least you're sure of the environment, you're sure of, you know, that everywhere was clean when you prepared it. So I try as much as possible not to buy things, you know, frequently from outside. But as you all can see, the pizza is like ready, you know, like it just requires like making pizza, probably I would say under 15-20 minutes, at most 30 minutes, you already have your pizza. So I just went ahead, added everything, and also sprinkled some, I think this is a mozzarella cheese, and you just, you know, sprinkle it as much as you want and head the pizza into the oven. And with this right here, you want to leave it in the oven for maybe, I would say, 10-15 minutes, so that way the cheese will melt. And that is basically it, guys. Look at this. I already served the twins theirs, and yep, I just went ahead and took some bites, Ace too. And over here I'm just gonna go ahead and wash up the things I used to cook. I didn't have the strength to add them to the dishwasher, you know, so I just decided to quickly wash them out, which to me sometimes it's always like easier and also faster when you do dishes yourself. I don't know, let me know if that is like, if you agree with what I said, guys. Like, I always find doing my own dishes, like with my hand, faster than using the dishwasher. The dishwasher sometimes is like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you're still doing your dishes. But anyways, guys, I just, you know, went ahead, did my dishes, and over here I'm just going to quickly also use, this is the multi-surface cleaner from Blue Land. I'm using it to kind of wipe my countertop. You know, with the multi-surface cleaner, you just, you know, use it for any and everything. So that is basically all I'm doing right here.
Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
And of course, once I'm done wiping down, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum. There's just this joy I always derive, guys, when I wake up in the morning to maybe fix breakfast or fix myself a cup of coffee, and I just see that the whole house is clean, especially my kitchen. So whenever I have the strength, I always try as much as possible to get my whole house, kind of sweep it. Of course, sweeping is very, very important, especially if you have kids, because they are always walking up and down the whole house. So once I get my vacuum out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this central glass, guys, this central glass door, because the twins, the kids, they always put their fingerprints on the door. And that is basically it for this video, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check out my description box for all info regarding Blueland, and also please don't forget to hit that like button below. I noticed YouTube for some reason took out the dislike button, which is a plus, guys, because some people just be hating for nothing, but I recently just discovered that they took out their dislike button. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye. And of course, please don't forget to hit that like button, because it's still very, 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 very important.